Welcome to the series of experiment. You are watching Bhaskar's Files. In this series, we are going to look exact pathway, take you from 3 LPA to 7 to 8 LPA in next 4 months. I am showing you the exact skills and the logic that actually make companies want to pay you the big number. Stop reading the Wikipedia definitions. For product management, seriously? If you are walking into an interview and saying product management is an art of science, blah blah blah, stop right there. You are already lost. That's what everyone else is saying. It's boring, it's theoretical, and in today's market, nobody is hiring a textbook knowledge. You are watching Bhaskar's File. I am here to give you more definitions. I am here to show you the real world mess of product actually get made. Look, product management is just a series of experiment. That's it. Some will work, most will fail. In this code, we are not memorizing any frameworks. We are learning how to handle the pressure. The plan falls apart. We talk about the real trade-offs we make every day, just keep the product alive. If you want to move beyond just doing tasks, start actually winning, I love to have you here. Let's build something together. Welcome to Bhaskar's File. Let's get into it.